This is what are we challenge? I nominate Jay-Z. I nominate
Carmelo, LeBron James, Kevin Durant, that soccer player, Ronaldo,
Tennessee Hoax.
I recommend. Alright, I nominate
Little Bibby,
Hello, baby. Yes.
Kendrick Lamar.
I nominate for
Yeah, J. Cole, definitely.
J. Cole.
These are honorary. Come in.
Hey. Oh, thank you.
Alright, let me get you printed up. I was just actually doing the budget for the grant, and so I'm going to include you guys in it. Ooh, I shouldn't have had all that coffee. Oh, I'm tripping. Wow. Okay. Alright, it's okay.
You okay, Coach?
Yep, I can do it. I can do it.
Oh, really?
I'm sorry for getting me off track. Was that me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, but you said, oh yeah, remember, you could.
They don't know what happens at home. They don't know where we live. They don't know how we're living. They don't know how much our parents make. They don't know if our parents are working. They don't even know if we have parents. Who said that?
Sophia.
Yep. We went Afghanistan.
Mia.
Perfect.
Wow.
You guys are great at putting stuff out. You're not. Okay, so the shopkeep said, or me, you guys are great at putting stuff out. You're not great at. And then Scholar A said cooperating. Someone else said, yeah. How about we have a system? How you want to do it? Clockwise. Done.
Wow.
That's getting stuff done.
You pointed to that. I'm like, we need someone to record that.
Yeah, you guys can use that. You can use all of our equipment. You want to make a podcast? You can use that. You want to make PSAs? It doesn't matter. All of our equipment, anything I have, you guys can use.
In this room.
Whenever.
We're gonna do that today.
Alright.
Wait, you wanna do it out lunch?
I can't do it out much. Because I don't have my pass. I could get the signatures.
What do you guys want to do?
We
wanna get, like
the food from upstairs, like maybe in the bags, like get a couple, like 3 foods and then go around to like anybody we see that's up in need.
Yo, there's so many flies in this.
Oh, letters. We should make a lot of letters. No, because there's a lot of people like make holidays are coming up. We should make a lot of letters and give it to
Like
the
have a happy. Yeah. We should like make sandwich bags or something, and like add a letter or something inside of it, or write something on top of the bag or something like that.
Like it should come with.
And
It
send
should come
to
with a
shelter.
pin. Oh, okay. All right. We should make like a giving bag. Like we know it's not Thanksgiving, but like
Yeah,
we should
paper bags with like
something that could remember us.
yeah, we should like
We should put pins. We should put like a t-shirt.
yeah, we should put a t-shirt
hoodies, like for
and food too.
Yeah.
Paper bags with.
Y'all better write this down.
I am.
Alright.
Paper bags with goods
Yeah.
and inspirational letter.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Prince, we're not in trouble.
That's excellent.
We're in trouble.
Okay. Ooh, the inspirationally letter inside of the thing, and then
Who runs lockers?
me.
Okay.
Okay, rolling.
Plus one.
Okay, we're rolling.
When we started?
Take one. Go.
So basically during the workshop we talked about how we want to help the homeless, but we also want to help ourselves.
We was trying to feed the homeless, grab some meals from the cafeteria. They said they couldn't give us the food, that they had to throw it out. And after they throw it out, before they throw it out, they bleach it so that nobody eats it, so that they don't get sued. So it's like they were rather. Yeah, so that's workshop in a nutshell. That's case scenario.
As educators, we still can empower those kids. There's still a way for us to tap them in to operate on a higher frequency.